Right now, at this very moment, one of your nostrils is more open than the other. It has been switching back and forth your entire life, every few hours, without you ever noticing. And your brain is controlling it on purpose. This is not a sign of congestion. It is not an allergy. It is one of the most overlooked and fascinating things your body does completely automatically every single day. It has a name, the nasal cycle. And once you know it exists, you will feel it every time you breathe. Here is what is actually happening. Inside each of your nostrils sits a structure called the inferior turbinate. It is a small curved shelf of bone covered in soft tissue packed with blood vessels. When those blood vessels fill with blood, the turbinate swells and narrows that side of the nose. When they drain, the passage opens up. Your autonomic nervous system controls this swelling and draining cycle continuously throughout the day. The two nostrils work in opposition. When the left side is open, the right side is congested. When the right opens, the left narrows. They take turns. The switch happens roughly every 2 to 7 hours, depending on the person, and typically happens so gradually you never feel the transition. So why does your body do this? Scientists have identified several reasons. First, it gives the nasal tissue on each side time to rest, recover moisture, and regenerate the protective mucus lining. Breathing continuously through one side would dry it out and damage the delicate tissue. The alternating cycle keeps both sides healthy. Second, and this is the part that surprises most people, the two nostrils do different jobs. The open nostril filters air more quickly with less resistance. The narrower nostril slows air down, warming it more thoroughly and capturing more particles before it reaches the lungs. Having one fast lane and one slow lane simultaneously means your body processes two different qualities of air at the same time, giving your olfactory system more information to work with. Research suggests this improves your sense of smell and may affect how you process different types of scents. Third, the nasal cycle appears to be linked to your brain hemispheres. Studies found that when the right nostril is dominant, the left hemisphere of the brain shows more activity. When the left nostril is dominant, the right hemisphere is more active. Yogic breathing traditions noticed this connection thousands of years ago and developed specific practices around it. You can test this right now. Press gently on the side of your neck, just below the ear. Within a few minutes, the opposite nostril should begin to open. Your nervous system responds to that pressure by shifting the cycle. If your body is doing something strange and nobody has ever properly explained it, that is exactly what this channel is for. Subscribe, hit hype, and check out our full playlist for more. Which nostril is more open for you right now? Check and drop it in the comments.